What's going on, everybody? Huh? Oh yeah, I get to this. You'll edit all. Boom. What's going on, everybody? My name is Anthony. Call page is the Upshift, DA Upshift. So we go see what these RS5s do. You know, I really never ran hard. You know, people in the click. So we go see. You know what it is. We go see the stats. So on my car, I have it's a 2013 RS5. It has a tune on it. Now, here's the thing. It's the APR tune that I have on it, and the transmission is tuned by God knows who. I do not know, but it has a tune on it. Also, I have an E85 pump on it, but I'm not running E85. I promise. I'm not running. I am not running E85. I'm not. But it is a massive difference with the E85. I put like $10 of gas in the car. Jack probably got like a whole tank. See, look at him. he got a whole tank of gas. I'm right under like a quarter, but we gonna see what the cars do.
Bro.
Good, man.
Good. All right.
Now we got to get you into the B9.
Oh.
Make you upgrade. That's the thing that the B8 and a half don't do. The ones here.
Yeah.
But the ones in Europe still, they fold in.
Let's have some fun, man. Let's drive it, all right? Bet.